overcoming job loss, addressing health, wealth, and relationships with real problems and solutions. Losing a job is a tough experience that can affect your health, finances, and relationships. But here's the good news, it's also a chance for growth. With the right mindset and strategies, you can turn this setback into a comeback. Let's dive into real-life challenges and actionable solutions in health, wealth, and relationships. Each section includes examples, step-by-step guidance, and an invitation to coaching programs that will help you thrive. Health, reclaiming emotional and physical well-being. Problem 1. Emotional burnout. Why it happens? Job loss often leads to feelings of sadness, resentment, and anger. Solution: process your emotions constructively and practice self-compassion. Example: Sarah was overwhelmed by self-blame after her layoff. She started journaling her thoughts and listing 3 things she appreciated about herself daily. This simple exercise shifted her perspective and helped her regain confidence. Actionable step: write a letter to yourself, expressing all your emotions. Don't hold back. End the letter by listing 3 strengths you have or things you're proud of. Revisit this letter when self-doubt creeps in. Coaching tie-in. Join my Emotional Resilience Masterclass to explore more ways to process emotions and regain mental clarity. Problem to physical neglect. Why it happens? Stress often leads to unhealthy eating habits, lack of exercise, and disrupted sleep. Solution: create simple, achievable habits that restore balance. Example: Mike replaced his late-night junk food binges with herbal tea and started stretching before bed. These small changes improved his sleep quality and energy levels. Actionable step: replace one unhealthy habit with a positive one this week, like swapping sugary snacks for fruit. Commit to 15 minutes of movement. Daily walking, yoga, or dancing works. Set a bedtime and stick to it for better sleep. Coaching tie-in. In my health and wellness coaching program, we'll design a personalized self-care routine that works for you. Problem 3. Anxiety about the future. Why it happens? The uncertainty of what's next can feel overwhelming, causing you to freeze. Solution: break your goals into small, manageable steps. Example: Sophia started with one small goal, updating her LinkedIn profile. Each completed task gave her confidence to tackle the next, and within weeks, she was actively applying to jobs. Actionable step: write down your big goal, for example, land a new job. Break it into smaller tasks, like updating your resume, researching companies, or practicing interview answers. Focus on one task per day. Coaching tie-in. Join my weekly coaching group to learn how to tackle anxiety with actionable planning. Wealth building, financial stability. Problem 1. Financial stress. Why it happens? Losing income can make you feel panicked about bills and savings. Solution: create a lean budget and explore short-term income opportunities. Example: Emma created a list of her essential expenses and started offering freelance graphic design services online. This kept her financially stable while job hunting. Actionable step: review your bank statements to identify necessary and unnecessary expenses. Set a weekly limit for non-essentials. Explore side hustles like tutoring, delivery driving, or freelancing. Coaching tie-in. In my Wealth Masterclass, we'll create a tailored financial plan to help you stay afloat and move forward confidently. Problem 2. Career direction feels uncertain. Why it happens? Layoffs can leave you questioning your skills and future career path. Solution: use this time to reflect on your goals and acquire new skills. Example: Rachel completed an online course in project management and realized she wanted to switch industries. Her newfound clarity led to a fulfilling new role. Actionable step: write down 3 industries or roles you're curious about. Research free or affordable courses on LinkedIn Learning or Coursera. Dedicate 30 minutes a day to learning something new. Coaching tie-in. Join my career coaching program to explore opportunities that align with your passions and goals. Problem 3. Networking feels overwhelming. Why it happens? Without daily workplace interactions, maintaining professional connections can feel daunting. Solution: reconnect with past contacts and expand your network online. Example: Mark reached out to a former manager for advice. This reconnection led to a referral and an interview at a great company. Actionable step: make a list of 5 people you've worked with. Send each one a personalized message on LinkedIn or email, updating them on your career goals. Ask for advice or insights. They'll appreciate your initiative. Coaching tie-in. Learn effective networking strategies in my self-directed masterclass to expand your connections and opportunities. Relationships, strengthening bonds. Problem 1. Family tension. Why it happens. Financial and emotional stress can lead to miscommunication and conflict at home. Solution: create open, honest conversations and involve your family in the process. Example: Laura involved her family in budgeting and job search discussions. These meetings brought them closer and made the transition easier for everyone. Actionable step: schedule a weekly family meeting. Share updates, discuss challenges, and brainstorm solutions together. Celebrate small wins as a team. Coaching tie-in. Strengthen your family relationships with tools from my relationship coaching module. Problem to isolation. Why it happens in shame or embarrassment about job loss can lead to withdrawal from friends and social activities. Solution: join a supportive community and reach out to trusted friends. Example: Sam joined a local job loss support group and found encouragement, new friends, and even job leads. Actionable step: reach out to one friend or family member this week for support. Join an online or in-person group for job seekers. Coaching tie-in: join my online coaching community, where you'll connect with others on similar journeys. Problem 3. Fear of judgment. Why it happens. Concerns about what others think can prevent you from seeking help or sharing your story. Solution: reframe your narrative and own your journey. Example: Mark shared his job loss as a learning opportunity on LinkedIn. The support and leads he received boosted his confidence and opened doors to new opportunities. Actionable step: practice introducing yourself confidently as exploring new opportunities. Share your journey with someone you trust, focusing on growth and possibilities. Coaching tie-in. Work with me in one-on-one coaching sessions to craft a compelling personal story. Take control of your future. You don't have to navigate this alone. My coaching programs provide tailored support to rebuild your health, wealth, and relationships. Here's how I can help. Resume writing services. Create a resume that gets results. 30+ hours of masterclasses covering health, wealth, and relationship advice. Weekly coaching community. Join peers for support and accountability. One-on-one coaching. Personalized strategies for success. Let's get started. Click the link in the description below to join the program that best fits your needs. Together, we'll transform this challenge into the start of something incredible.